Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Now that your class 12 exams are over, what will be your next course of action? You may be finding yourself at the crossroads with no idea on which way to turn. It's about making, or more appropriately, choosing your future career and life. Choosing the right course and college is the first step in chalking the career plan. There are many degrees like BA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BDes, MA, MSc, MCom, etc. in various subjects. Only you have to choose which degree you want to pursue and in which particular subject. It's crucial since after the choice is made, there will be no turning back. So in this video, I will talk about some of the best colleges providing undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information and career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, subject-wise notes and question answers for classes 8 to 12, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on Madras Christian College in Chennai. Madras Christian College or MCC is an art and science college that is located in Tamil Nadu. Established in the year 1837, it is one amongst the oldest extant colleges of Asia. Affiliated to the University of Madras, it is an autonomous institution that functions from its main campus in Tambaram in Chennai. Originally, it was established as a school for boys, however, it evolved into one amongst the pioneering higher education colleges. The campus is spread across an area of 365 acres. Further, the college has about 38 departments, 294 faculty members, and 8,500 students. MCC has 11 institutes under it promoting even secondary and higher secondary level education as well. It is one of the finest institutions in the country and many notable alumni are part of it. This college also offers degree programs of contemporary relevance and employability are offered in self-finance stream other than the normal aided stream. The college now has 32 departments under both the aided and self-finance streams. The Choice-Based Credit System or CBCS was introduced in 2003-2004 enabling the college to provide more choice for the students, especially interdisciplinary options and rationalize the workload of each paper in tune with the credits awarded. The halls of residence for men's Layur, St. Thomas's and Heber and the Martin, Margaret and Barnes for women contribute to the rich diversity and contemporary lifestyle around the campus. The sprawling sports fields as well as the cultural ambience of the college is a great deal towards students' personality and their all-round development. The 150th year was commemorated in 1987 with the Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi participating in the main function and declaring open the Miller Memorial Library. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the then President of India, was present at the 170th year celebrations in 2007 and inaugurated the Center for International Social Work. The college emblem is a graphic representation of the philosophy of the college. In the year 2013, NAAC recredited the college with A grade. In 2016, the award of College with Potential for Excellence was given to the college. MCC has established the MCC Boyd Business School in 2016 to offer world-class business education. Spiritual vitality, academic excellence and social relevance have always been the guiding principles of the institution down the decades. The college celebrates its all milestones every year to energize the stakeholders included with it. So now let's talk about this college's facilities. Madras Christian College infrastructure facilities are modern and very well maintained. As it is a well-reputed educational institution, funds are raised and infrastructure renovation happens time to time. The buildings are built in an Anglo-Indian style of architecture and houses many well-structured and hygienic amenities. MCC Chennai houses 6 halls, 3 each for boys and girls as their residential quarters. These hostels are very well equipped. The college houses one of the biggest libraries in the city. It has over 1.5 lakh books and several thousand journals as well. The college has facilities for a digital library as well, which has over 10,000 journals and e-books as well. NCC training at Madras Christian College is given since 1924. The cadets are taught basic military training such as foot drill, weapon drill, firing, map reading, tent pitching, sailing, flying, etc. They are also encouraged to participate in various national level camps, adventure training, social service activities and awareness campaigns. The college has 32 departments which are very well structured, and modern labs and facilities help students carry on with their research and project works. Deep Woods is a inter-college cultural festivals held in the month of February. The college receives a footfall of about 30,000 during the festival, and over 70 colleges from all over the country participate in the event. So next we will know about these colleges courses. Madras Christian College Chennai offers BA in History, Political Science, Economics, Philosophy, Tamil Literature, English Literature, Journalism, English Language and Literature, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, Sanskrit, French and German. MA in History, Political Science, Public Administration, Economics, Philosophy, English, Tamil and Communication. BSc in Mathematics, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, Zoology, Geography, Tourism and Travel Management, Microbiology, Physical Education, that is Health Education and Sports, and Visual Communication. MSc in Mathematics, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, Zoology, Applied Microbiology and Chemistry. BCom in Commerce, Accounts and Finance Advertising, and Sales Promotion and Sales Management. MCom in Computer Oriented Business Application. BBA in Business Administration. Vocational BA History in Archaeology and Museology. Vocational BSc Zoology in Industrial Fish and Fisheries. Vocational BCom in Advertising, Sales Promotion and Sales Management. BVoc in Retail Management and Information Technology. Also, this college offers BCA. For undergraduate courses like BA, BCom, BSc, BCA and BVoc, candidates must have passed 10+2 with a minimum of 50% of marks in aggregate to gain eligibility. It means candidates seeking UG admission must have obtained at least 50% marks in higher secondary. Admission is based on merit and counseling. For various PG courses like MSc, MA, MSW, MCom and MCA, candidates must have a bachelor's degree in the respective field to gain eligibility to apply for various PG courses. For the PG courses, candidates are selected based on minimum marks, which is 50% secured in graduation. Admission will be based on merit or marks secured in the relevant entrance test. MCC Madras have immensely strengthened the international programs profile in the recent years. They have reached around the globe, and the alumni and students of MCC currently study in the reputed colleges around the globe. They have already signed 15 MOUs with various educational institutions around the world. Some collaborations signed with Madras Christian College are Davidson College, Elmhurst College, Furman University, Silliman University, and International Social Work. Madras Christian College placements are excellent, and students get placed in reputed companies. The college has a dedicated placement cell where students are given training for the interviews. The MCC college title benefits its students during the placements. Companies see it with a high degree of reputation. The college has an excellent placement record in the past years. The placement cell gives training to the students to excel in the interviews. The placements also mentor the student for the further studies. Every year, more than 30 companies come for the placements in different domains. Some companies which visit Madras Christian College for placements are Amazon, Larsen & Toubro or L&T, TCS, Infosys, Ernst & Young, Deloitte and many more. MCC Chennai Alumni Association was formed in 1891 and is one of the oldest of its kind in India. The main objective is fostering of cultural and social interests of the alumni through meetings and publications. MCC Alumni Association has 22 chapters in India and 11 chapters in other parts of the world. The notable alumni graduated from MCC Chennai are Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Indra Nui, Arkat Ramasamy Mudaliar, S. Theodore Bhaskaran, Raja Ramanna, Penny Dayal, K. M. Mamen Mappilai, C. S. Lakshmi and Chandrika Tandon. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends for being with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then,